Jesnel, and Team Serena. That's our first team to compete. Ang next team to compete is Team Manos and Alpha Phi Omega. Then the third pair is Rivas and Noah. Fourth is Severic and Cesar Victoriano. Then 5 is Barangay Taf Liner. Taf and si Kian, P-H-E-O-N. Tama? Okay. So naman, balik na tomorrow para sa ato ang kite fighting. Sige, ulitin mo. Let's start na with our first elimination pair. Si Jesnel and Team Serena. Kaya ating dire, bring your kites to the front for final inspection with your strings na. Team Serena, muna ang first na battle. Mag-picture kayo tadira nga nakaposing murag na ghost fighter. Oh? Kanang battle picture. 3, 2, 1, lupad, Surigao! Lupad, Surigao, Brad! Saan ba na stable sa white?
Mismatch ba daw?
Oh na, wala na! Hindi ha? 10 minutes, na-timer
Congratulations! Ako pa yung ganyan. Magandang ka sa butol. Congrats, Brad. Congrats also to Team Manos. Grabe ni kanina nga. Kagahapon pa kanina. Very good job, guys. Team Manos, maghulat ta.